In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Keep and tasks from Gemini on the web. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to grab your computer and open up your web browser. Once you're there, type in the URL for Gemini and hit enter. When you arrive on the Gemini homepage, make sure you sign in with the exact Google account that you use for Google Keep and Google Tasks. This is important because all your notes and tasks will be linked to that account. After you've signed in, direct your gaze to the bottom left corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon. This is the settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Now when you enter the settings, you're looking for the menu options. Focus your attention there and look for the section labeled Apps. Click on it, and you'll find an option for Google Workspace. You'll see a toggle switch. Make sure to turn that toggle on. It might ask you for some permissions. Follow any on-screen prompts to connect your account fully. It's a pretty straightforward process, but if it asks for your approval, just click through those messages. Amazing, you're halfway there. Now that you have everything set up, let's get into the fun aspect of using Google Keep and Google Tasks right from Gemini. When you're ready to start using Google Keep, simply go to the chat box area and type in @GoogleKeep, or you can just use @Keep, whatever you prefer works. Then followed by your request. For instance, you might want to add something to your shopping list. You could type something like, @Keep, add milk and eggs to my shopping list. That's it. Your items will be added to Google Keep without you needing to navigate away from the Gemini interface. Now, let's switch gears for a moment and explore how you can manage your to-do list with Google Tasks. In the same chat box, you'll want to type @Google Tasks, or simply use @Tasks. This tells Gemini that you're about to make a command related to your tasks. Let's say you want to set a reminder. You would type something like @Tasks, add a task to call mom on Friday. Just like that, it's added to your Google Tasks list. Remember, these commands can be super handy as you manage your daily life. It streamlines everything since you can keep track of tasks and notes while working within the Gemini interface. Let's do a quick recap. To access Google Keep and Google Tasks from Gemini, start by signing into Gemini with your Google account. Then, navigate to Settings and enable the Google Workspace option. After that, you can type your commands using the respective labels for Keep and Tasks right in the chat box. It's efficient, easy, and best of all, it keeps everything in one place. So there you have it. Now you're all set to use Google Keep and Tasks seamlessly through Gemini on the web. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, and share it with anyone you think could benefit from this. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful, and I'll see you in the next video.